In today's video, I'm going to teach you the essentials of creating pages and subpages using the Weebly site editor. Whether you're a business owner looking to expand your site or an artist wanting to showcase your work, understanding how to manage pages effectively can significantly impact your website's navigation and user experience. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can organize your site structure with ease. To get started, you'll need to open the Weebly site editor. Once you're in, look towards the top bar, where you'll find the Pages tab. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll be managing the architecture of your site. After clicking, you'll notice a list of all your existing pages on the left sidebar. This sidebar is your main workspace for adding and arranging pages, so let's take a closer look. If you'd like to add a new page, it's a straightforward process. Simply find the plus icon, which is prominently located at the top right corner of the left sidebar. By clicking this icon, you're initiating the creation of a new page. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter all necessary details for your new page. It's important to be thoughtful here because the details you input will help define how your page appears and functions on your site. You can name the page something relevant, choose a type such as a standard page, blog, or external link, and tweak the page's settings to suit your needs. Now, let's move on to subpages. If your site has multiple sections, or you want to create a more organized hierarchy on your web pages, subpages are an excellent way to go. Creating a subpage is as simple as a click and drag. Choose the page you want to turn into a subpage by clicking on it, and with your mouse or touchpad, drag the page slightly to the right underneath the intended parent page. You'll notice it becomes indented. This indentation signifies that your page has now become a subpage, categorically under the parent page above it. By employing this feature, you ensure that your website has a clear, navigable structure that's friendly to both users and search engines. Especially for larger sites, utilizing subpages effectively streamlines your content, making it easier for visitors to find the information they're looking for. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've learned how to enhance your Weebly site with pages and subpages, allowing you to better organize your content and improve your site's functionality. Keep experimenting with different layouts, and soon you'll become adept at managing your site's pages like a pro. Happy editing, and we'll see you in the next video.